Sani Bonani, how are you guys? Welcome back to KZN Podcast. This is our channel, your channel, our channel, my channel, your people's channel. So today we're going deeper and we want to show you more images or photos of the incoming princess of the Zulu nation, the wife of King Msizulu. What we know about this young lady right here, is that in 2022 she was Miss Indoni, representing the Swati people. Miss Indoni happens every year in KZN, where they have young maidens ezofika are represented their culture. We also know that Sihle is very big on foundation. She's been working with Hollywood Foundation and all of that. We also are aware that Sihle usahamba umhlanga, and her surname is Mdluli ebukhosini bakwaMdluli eMpumalanga. We're not so sure whether she's the only child or whatever. But what we know that this wife belongs to the Zulu nation. The king and the royal family, they don't have to pay anything, but the king will have to let isizwe samaZulu sazi or sitshele ukuthi sekunenkosikazi ofikile ozolotsholwa isizwe samaZulu, simply because uqhamuka ebukhosini, akaye noma akaenzo, akanayo ingane, akaqhamuki nje emzini bebathi ngeSizulu umuntukazana, but she has blood of royalty or of royalty in her veins. She posted somehow now also on her Facebook the blood that runs in her veins has made her who she is. But this had nothing to do with our king, the King Msizulu. So yeah guys, there we have it. According to umntwana wasobukhosini ba King Msizulu, ushilo wathi usefikile emagcekeni njengamanje esigodlweni sakaMashobane, usefikile bathi usehleli impela, sekulindeka ukuthi badiscuss bahlanganise bese kuzothi mangabe seqedile the king nayo Sihle mase bexoxele bezobe sebeyaphumela ke ngaphandle. Thina sesiphaphile ke santshela ke bazobe sebephumela ngaphandle ke bavumelane bese kutshela umntwana ke lo osabambile obambele uMsizulu, King Msizulu, because akana spokesperson kodwa bayeda akanaso spokesperson for now, asixoshwe so nje uzimele akathatha ihlangothi lo muntu khulunyelwa abafuwa ababathile. Uzobe seyaphuma ke azise isizwe samaZulu ukuthi hayi no umdlokombane engazi ukuthi impela ke usesitholelile intokazi ezokwazi ukuthi imzalela indlalifa. Uzokhumbula ukuthi the king doesn't have unazi ingane njengamanje, kodwa lezi ngane lezi akuzona indlalifa ezingakwazi ukuthi should anything happens to him zithathe over. So Sihle is the only person that can bear him indlalifa yamaZulu, iyokwazi ukuthatha isihlalo sobukhosi should anything happen to him. Meet Sihle Mdluli, the beautiful, gorgeous lady. I think the king chose you. I think fanele ngabe siyaxoxisa nguye halala, wangena umakoti endlini, wangena umakoti ekhaya, wangena umakoti emazulwini, not like as in heaven, ngisho emazulwini ukuthi samaZulu. Hayi gazi lento esamazulu emazulwini, ya wangena umakoti emazulwini.